Love Christmas? Me too. The soft glow, the sparkle, the smell of Christmas baking. This is where the season begins. From beautifully styled trees and cozy home tours, shopping hauls and DIYs, you'll find everything you need to bring the magic of Christmas to life in your home right here. Welcome to Festive Glitter and Magic, a channel dedicated to inspiring your holiday decorating with elegance, warmth, and a little sparkle. Whether you're decorating for the first time or adding to years of tradition, from Christmas in July to Christmas Eve, this is your home base. I'll be sharing ideas, moments, and inspiration to help you create a home full of beauty and magic. I'm Gemma, and I believe that Christmas decorating should feel as magical as the season itself. So, whether you're here for ideas or inspiration, if you're ready to add some style and sparkle to your home for the holidays, then why not join me? Hit subscribe and don't forget that notification bell. And you and I can celebrate and bring magic to the season together. I look forward to the next time we meet.